How to reset Siri on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri and search. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're going to find different options. In order to reset your Siri, click on this option of Listen for. Then check in for the option of Off. With that, you have just disabled Siri on your device. Now you can head back. Here you're gonna see this option. Press side button for Siri. Disable for this option. Click on Turn off Siri. Then click on this option of Reset Hidden Suggestions. Click on Reset. Then click on this option Listen for. Now check in for the option of Siri or Hey Siri. Click on Enable Siri. Set up Hey Siri, click on Continue. Now you have to complete these steps. On your screen, you're going to find this text. You have to read it out. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Siri is ready. Click on Done. Once you complete this process, you have just reset your Siri. Well, this way you can easily reset Siri on iPhone or iPad. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.